What's up, guys? There is something very scary going on right now with XRP, and I don't even want to talk about this. I don't even want to show you this, but I have to show you this. Guys, if you're holding XRP, this video is absolutely crucial to you. Watch it until the end. Like the video if you appreciate the content, and let's get straight into it. Pay close attention right now. This is XRP's monthly time frame, so every candlestick here is 1 month. Down below we have the MACD indicator on the monthly time frame for XRP, going all the way back here. As you can see, the bull run from 2017 into 2018 here on the left hand side of your screen. In the middle, we have the bull run from 2020 into 2021. And on the right hand side, we have our current bull cycle. I want you guys to focus on these bearish crosses, or these death crosses here on the monthly MACD, where this blue line crosses with this orange line. And this is what you call a bearish crossover. We also have bullish crossovers, but this time I'm focused on bearish crossovers on the monthly time frame, which is a very meaningful and powerful time frame here for any cryptocurrency. Now, back in 2018, we had the bearish crossover on the MACD. Keep in mind, the MACD on the monthly is more of a lagging indicator. It signals bearish momentum, or it actually confirms bearish momentum, because in 2018, XRP peaked in January, as you can see over here, and the bearish MACD cross came later on, but that was a signal and a confirmation of bearish momentum, and much more bearish momentum came after the bearish crossover on the MACD. XRP went down by 83% after that confirmed bearish crossover on the MACD in that specific bear market. So yeah, guys, that is not a good signal. Also here in 2021, XRP peaked first, I believe in April or so of 2021, and a few months later, around January 2022, we got the bearish crossover confirmation on the MACD, and XRP went down by 66% after that bearish crossover in the following months. So also a very accurate signal here on the monthly MACD. Now, fast forward to 2025, we had a peak a few months ago here in XRP's price when XRP went up to almost $4. And right now, guys, we are getting extremely close, as you can see, to the bearish MACD cross. To be very clear, this MACD cross has not been confirmed just yet, but if the bearish momentum continues this month, so the month of November for XRP, then I believe that we could see a possible bearish crossover on the monthly MACD for XRP in the month of December. So keep that in mind, guys. This could be a very bearish signal for XRP, and historically, as you can see, we should take this signal very serious, because it could indicate that we are about to see much more downside in the price for XRP. But keep in mind, this MACD cross has not been confirmed just yet, so it is still possible for price to avoid this bearish MACD cross if the month of November is going to be extremely bullish. So let's see if we can see a huge reversal this month to prevent this bearish crossover on XRP's monthly MACD. Now, there are always two sides to a coin. There's always a bullish and a bearish story, and there's also something bullish going on for XRP, because if we take a look at this, I posted this literally a few minutes ago. When unrealized losses spike, XRP has historically bounced hard. It's happening again. And if you focus on this green line, then you can see the unrealized losses. And whenever this line spikes significantly, let's say above 0.004, it usually indicates a market bottom. It happened in April this year. The unrealized losses spiked above 0.04, and that was a significant low, because the XRP price went up, I believe, from 160 or so all the way to above $3 in the following months. So this could indicate to us that we are about to see at least a temporary bounce or a rally to the upside for XRP, maybe to new all-time highs, maybe not, guys. That remains to be seen. I can't predict the future. I'm just here to share the data with you. Also, if we take a look at XRP's liquidation heat map, it looks that as if in the short term we could see a bounce to the upside, which could start from any moment in time, because all the liquidity is currently XRP located above the current price between $3 and $4 for XRP. Price always goes after the highest liquidity, and since a lot of stop losses, liquidation prices from futures traders are currently above $3, it is very likely for price to see a significant bounce back to the upside anytime soon. That is the most likely outcome here. And by the way, if you're looking for an exchange to use, I would highly recommend Phemex, AscendEX or WeX. Use my links down below in the video description to benefit from the cheapest trading fees in the industry, only valid with my links down below. They're also offering huge deposit bonuses right now. And on AscendEX, you can trade XRP with XRP as collateral, which is a new feature from the exchange. So check it out if you're interested, links down below. And guys, in yesterday's video, I spoke about XRP on the monthly time frame as well, and I was focused on the stochastic RSI, and I found a very important signal that is right now flashing. So if you haven't watched that video yet, be sure to do so. It is still extremely relevant. It is a video from yesterday here on the channel. But as you can see, XRP stochastic RSI on the monthly time frame is at the sweet spot here. The last two times that the stochastic RSI on the monthly went to about 40 on this index, we saw a significant rally in the price of XRP, as you can see on this chart. So be sure to check that video out, guys. But right now, I just wanted to make you aware that we need to see a very bullish close here in the month of November to prevent this bearish crossover on the MACD for XRP. That is the most crucial thing to watch now. If you ask my personal opinion, if you ask what I think a bounce is very likely if we look at different on-chain metrics, but that of course remains to be seen. That was it, guys, for today's XRP update. Hopefully this was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, official link down below, as I'm posting additional crypto alpha over there, which I cannot always publish here on YouTube, so check it out. I want to thank you all for watching, for the support. See you very soon with another one. Bye bye.